Hello friends, I am Hitesh. Welcome you all on our YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about one topic of an IC engine, that is valve timing diagram. So let's start with the valve timing diagram of 4-stroke diesel engine. The first question arises in our mind, what is valve timing diagram meaning? The valve timing diagram is the diagram which represents the angular representation of opening and closing of the valves at different points. So let's start with the theoretical diagram. For ideal cycle, theoretically, inlet and exhaust valve must open at dead centers. Here as shown in figure, the inlet valve is open at TDC and this valve is closed at BDC. Also, the exhaust valve is open at BDC when exhaust stroke starts. This valve must close when piston reaches at TDC. This condition is applicable in case of theoretical forces only. The actual diagram is different than the theoretical one. So let's discuss about the actual diagram. Generally, the valve operates very slowly when the engine is running fast. Then the stroke of the piston is completed in very short period of time. During this, very small quantity of air or charge will enter the cylinder. This quantity is not sufficient to produce power. Hence, the inlet valve is open just before TDC and closes after BDC. So, more amount of air or charge can enter the cylinder. So, inlet valve is open certain degree before TDC and closes certain degree after BDC. Now, discuss about the exhaust valve. By opening the exhaust valve earlier, most of the exhaust gases leaves during the power stroke. Little less power is produced because of this, but most of the exhaust gases are removed before the power stroke. Hence, the work required to supply during the exhaust stroke is reduced. Hence, there is a net gain. If the exhaust valve is closed on TDC, then some of the exhaust gases is compressed in the clearing space. This will reduce the air or charge taken in during suction stroke. Based on the experimental result, found that good results are obtained when the exhaust valve is closed after 12 degree from TDC. At some time during the cycle, both the valves are open, which can be seen from this diagram also. This period is known as valve overlap. The angle of overlap is generally kept between 15 degree to 30 degree. Now let's understand this concept with this animation video. As you see here, inlet valve is open 25 degree before TDC. And the entire process is known as a suction stroke, and inlet valve is closes approx 30 degree after BDC as in this video. So the maximum amount of fresh charge can enter into the engine cylinder. The second stroke is known as a compression stroke, and after approaching to TDC at 5 degree before, fuel injection starts. This is discussed about the diesel engine. So fuel injection start at 5 degree before TDC, and fuel injection stop after the TDC at 25 degrees Celsius. So this is the entire process where fuel injection start and stop. After that, the power is produced. That suction, compression, and after that power is produced. This is known as a power stroke or expansion stroke. And when it is reaches to the BDC, 45 degree before, the exhaust valve is open, and the entire exhaust gas is removed from the exhaust valve, and the process is known as the exhaust process. And valve is closes after certain degree of TDC. Now let's see the complete cycle. The inlet valve is open at few degree before TDC. Piston traveling from TDC to BDC, inlet valve closes. Second stroke is compression stroke. At the end of the compression, injection start, injection stop, and power is produced, expansion stroke, and exhaust valve open certain degree before, and exhaust gas is removed from the exhaust valve. This is the expansion and exhaust stroke, and exhaust stroke closes after certain degree of TDC. So friends, this is the entire discussion of valve timing diagram of 4-stroke diesel engine. Hope you understand all the points and its working. Here are some important questions related to our topic valve timing diagram. Please look into it. Here are some more questions. And if you want to share your answers, find the link given in the description box. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.